Hello guys to everyone, welcome. My name is Roy Chukati from the company NanoLock Security. We are cooperating with Micron chips and Authenta. I'm going to speak about the security solution, how we can provide a better security for your clients and to the devices. So let's see, so what's going on right now? In 2020, okay, not lately, there is found 1.5 billion of cyber attack on IoT devices. Okay, we see that billions of dollars spending to protect the device itself. So device can be very nice, very good. You're producing EV charging, smart meter, controller, whatever, can be very good in functionality, but in the end, they are still vulnerable. Someone can use that, can manipulate, can change the parameters inside. The security level is quite low in most of them. So in this case, we can say that also almost 50% of the ICS have evidence of attempting of a cyber criminal or cyber attack. That's a lot. And the future is going to be even much, much higher because most of the devices in the world are going to be connected and going to be more digitally. So the device makers say, okay, let's do some patches. My question is secure and patching an efficient solution? I don't think so because it's too late. Okay, so when you find some problems, some issues, some security incident, you want to patch it, and then you send it to your clients. It's more, let's say, costly to do this maintenance and to develop these features as well. It's very complicated also to send it out because some of the devices is not connected to the internet. It's very complicated story how to implement these patches. And to distribute that. Of course, you need to find a way how to distribute these patches to all the devices, and most of the case it's too late because the attack is happened in the past. So most of the clients already suffer from the vulnerability and from the problems, and then you need to find a solution after the case, how to protect the devices. It's a big mess. So existing security solutions are okay, can be nice, but most of the case is not enough. Okay, we are using some encryption technologies, some password management, things like that. It's nice, but let's say most little bit sophisticated hacker can find a way how to break it quite easily. By the way, second, technicians have an access. They have the password, they have the keys how to go into the devices, and they can also do mistakes. So we say, okay, the defense must focus on device level prevention. We're talking about a real protection to protecting to device level, and this is NanoLock came to the picture. So NanoLock provide technology, okay, let's say solution technology or security technology based on software or hardware that based inside the device level and protecting the existing, let's say, a component inside the devices. Let's say there is a flash memory, for example. You want to protect the information inside. You want to protect the operation system, the application, the configuration, the calibration, that no one can modify it, change it, manipulate it, make a fraud, or just persistent cyber attack. You can use that device in order to, let's say, to connect to the entire network, the OT and the IT, etc. That's a big, big mess. So the device can be a kind of gateway of cyber attack, okay? And we want to avoid it. So we say, okay, let's do the prevention stuff, let's protect it. So we provide the solution for that no one can modify it or change the parameters inside. Even technician and employee, they can do mistakes, we can avoid it. We can stop that possibilities. We also provide the next layer of the solution of NanoLock. This is the management tool. So with this tool, we can give you the permission and the capabilities to upload, let's say, a new configuration or new version. So you're using the only authorized management to manage the security level protection inside the device. That's wonderful because in this case, this is very accurate. No one can do anything that you want. Even technician or employees that have access to the devices, they cannot change nothing inside because they need the authorized management tool to do that. Okay, that's much more clear. And also we are inside the device. We can also provide you a very valuable information, like alerts, like forensic data, okay, because we are kind of agent inside the device, and we can provide you very accurate information. So let's start with the outsider. Outsiders, you can find many security solutions, but also NanoLock provide from outsider threats, let's say. That's really important. The second point, you can find barely solution for that. We're talking about insiders. Insider can be, for example, employees, technicians, supply chain attack, okay, human error, having access to the devices, they can manipulate, they can do some mistakes, okay. NanoLock, okay, is the most advanced solution for that. We can also avoid also the internal incidents. By the way, this is not cyber attack. This is security incident that can create by a local employee, okay. So we can also avoid that situation, and also from cyber attack from external, since your device is connected to the network and you want to avoid any situation of cyber attack. By the way, it can be any type of attack, ransomware, DDoS, whatever, it doesn't matter for NanoLock, because we block the access of any changes inside the devices. You cannot change nothing inside, it's blocked. As I mentioned, the upper level, this is the management tool. It's very reliable because we are connected, there is communication between the management to the device level. It's basically for visibility and monitoring, okay? To do, let's say, it's the authorized server that can change any parameter inside the device. You need to use that management for authenticated and manage over-the-air secure updates. So you can use that technology if you want to upload a new version, a new configuration, etc. Okay, and the trusted level security information, you can get alerts very accurate. If someone tries to attack your device, first, it's not possible because it's blocked, as I said. But second, you can get alerts. And then you can understand if this cyber attack came from external attacks or maybe internal incidents by technician or employee that always trying to upload the different version, for example. A different update is not the correct one. Okay, so you can see that. So the NanoLock advantage, first, broader protection. Okay, so we provide the security solution against any type of attack, outsiders and insiders, supply chain, etc. Zero power requirement because with just piece of software or hardware, so there is no need to get any resources from the device. You can use also on devices that are operated by battery. No impact on performance. We are not influenced nothing about the device itself. So we can base on any type of device, even small sensors. Any fits all can be any type of operation system. Can be Linux, Windows, bare metal, RTOS. It doesn't matter. Okay, it's very flexible solution. Let's see some references that using already the NanoLock's solution. Teltonika industrial router. Okay, we're protecting the industrial router that they are facilitated by end clients. Let's say factories or utilities that using the Teltonika router, it's already protected by NanoLock. The last slide, I think, yes. So NanoLock provides, let's say, two levels of solutions. The first level is the independent software solution, integrate to the area of the firmware of the kernel. The second one is hosted by Micron. There is a collaboration with Micron on Authenta chip. Okay, we are integrating to the chip, provide a management tool, and then you can use our technology from cloud, from on-site, wherever you want to decide. For example, as I mentioned, EV charging stations, smart meters, controller, industrial IoT, etc. That's it, guys. And this is my details, and I'm available for any question.